Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm just going to do a little small unboxing. Today I got some Nike LeBron 15s. These are the lows. Got them in size 12. There was a little sale a couple days ago. It was like 25% off. These were like $150 plus tax. This is on footlocker.ca. So it came in like 2 days. And yeah, the box is pretty nice. I've never bought LeBrons before. These are my first pair. And the boxes just look real nice to me. Anyways, let's go in. Let me just move up the camera a little bit. Yeah, so I got them in this gray color. The bottom is pink. I don't know if you guys could see that. There's like a lion face on there, but it looks pretty nice to me. I like the logo. It's like two, one on each side and everything. Got the zoom right in there. It's pretty nice in my opinion. Let's see what they got in here. It's one of these cardboard things, and I guess whatever paper you would call this, I'm not really sure what you call that. But yeah, some pretty nice shoes. They're pretty cheap right now. Yeah, I definitely recommend these. I'm gonna have to try them on to see how comfortable they are. But yeah, they also got something over here. Let me see. I think it's like a signature or something. Not exactly sure. Signature, I'm pretty. Okay. I guess it's the reverse way. Yeah, that's probably his signature on the shoe. But anyways, these are some pretty nice looking shoes in my opinion. The material is a little bit hard up here, but it's pretty soft back here. I like the cushioning they added in here. Feels very comfortable. I'll have to try these on later on and see how they fit and everything. They fill these up. God. Alright. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Some small video. If you have any questions, you can ask them below. I'll try my best to answer all questions. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.